రిలయన్స్ అధినేత ముఖేష్ అంబానీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Letter to the shareholders and management and discussion analysis have already been circulated to you. With your permission, I would like to take them as read. Dear shareholders, in the golden decade of Reliance, I am proud to inform you that it was yet another year of robust and record performance. Last year, Reliance became India's largest and most profitable company, both in the public and the private sectors. We are the only diversified, multi-sector Indian enterprise with three major growth engines in one single corporate entity: our oil to chemicals division, Jio, and retail. All three have done exceedingly well in the past year. We are also incubating new growth engines within Reliance. Skeptics used to say that Reliance cannot succeed in a consumer business. Jio and Reliance Retail have proved them wrong. If these two consumer businesses had been separately listed companies, each would be ranked among the top 10 in India in terms of value. Jio crossed the 340 million subscriber mark to remain Jio crossed the 340 million subscriber mark to remain the world's fastest growing digital services company. Today, Jio is India's largest telecom enterprise in terms of subscribers, revenues, and profits. Jio has truly become the digital gateway of India. Reliance Retail has crossed rupees 130,000 crore turnover to cement its position as India's largest retailer. It is 4 times larger than the second largest retail player, and it is larger than all other major retailers put together. Our two consumer businesses now collectively contribute nearly 32% to the consolidated EBITDA, up from 2% 5 years ago. The day is not far when their share would be 50% of our overall EBITDA. The third growth engine is our oils to chemicals business. Let me now highlight Reliance's record contribution to the Indian economy in the last year. We continue to be India's largest exporter at rupees 2,24,391 crores, and with exports to over 107 countries, accounting for 9.8% of India's total merchandise export. We continue to be the highest payer of customs and excise duty in the private sector at rupees 26,379 crores last year. We also continue to be the highest payer of GST amongst all public and private sector companies at rupees 67,320 crores last year. We were also the highest payer of income tax in the private sector at 12,191 crores. Dear shareholders, the coming year will mark the beginning of the most ambitious value creation strategy in the history of Reliance and in the history of India. At the heart of our new value creation strategy is our innovative philosophy of transforming relationships into partnerships. Partnerships with leading global and Indian companies, partnerships with millions of local businesses, SMEs, and micro enterprises across India, partnerships with new tech-enabled businesses, platforms, and social enterprises. All these partnerships will form a new business coalition capable of creating exponential value for our five stakeholders: the Indian economy, the Indian people, our customers, employees, and shareholders. Dear shareholders, the future of India and also the future of Reliance has never looked brighter to me than now. As India is getting transformed into a new India, Reliance will transform itself into a new Reliance. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, has set the goal of making India a $5 trillion economy by 2024. I fully endorse this ambitious goal. Indeed, I can clearly see India becoming a $10 trillion economy by 2030 with every Indian as a beneficiary. This is achievable, this is necessary, and this, I believe, is inevitable. I say this because digital-driven GDP growth is not only exponential, but also can be inclusive. Reliance's own value creation strategy will prove this. The slowdown in some sectors of the economy is temporary. The fundamentals of the Indian economy are very strong. The opportunities will grow further with structural reforms. India has political stability. The government is laying the foundation of new institutions for business promotion and regulation. New long-term measures are being taken to improve ease of living for all citizens and reduce income inequity. India is rising. No power on earth can stop India from rising higher. We are calling this the Jio Fiber Welcome Offer. I invite all of you to make the most of the Jio Welcome Offer and sign up for Jio Fiber as soon as it is available in your neighborhoods. Friends, let me now move to the second pillar of Jio Digital Life: digital platforms and solutions. Today, Jio is already a software company. Jio has over 6,000 software engineers, and we are continuing to attract technology talent from across India and the world. Jio is also investing in a growing ecosystem of technology startups. As on date, we have invested in 14 startups that embody the Jio DNA and developed unique capabilities in their respective fields with a total of 1,500 talented engineers. This is yet another way we are building talent. And on the back of this talent, we are now investing in scaling up advanced technologies in our own country, even ahead of the rest of the world. Let me describe our plans for a few of these. First, blockchain technology all over India. Using blockchain, we can deliver unprecedented security, trust, automation, and efficiency to almost any type of transaction. This is a vital capability for India, especially for modernizing our supply chains for agriculture produce and other goods, which form the lifeblood of our economy. And using blockchain, we also have the opportunity to invent a brand new model for data privacy, where Indian data, especially customer data, is owned and controlled by the Indian people and not by corporates, especially global corporations. Data is wealth, and Indian wealth must remain in India. Over the next 12 months, Jio will install across India one of the largest blockchain networks in the world, with tens of thousands of nodes operational on day one. Second, edge computing and virtual and mixed reality content. As you saw in the demo, the next frontier of content is immersive. This creates exciting new possibilities for entertainment, shopping, gaming, and most importantly, for education. Delivering immersive content to hundreds of millions of users requires a well-integrated solution spanning connectivity, data storage, and real-time computing. And we need to deploy such solutions at the edge of the network, or in other words, closer to where our users are. Today, Jio is setting up a pan-India edge computing and content distribution network, again, starting with tens of thousands of nodes. This means that your favorite content and applications will be nearer to you, so even faster downloads and faster response times. And India and its 1,600 cities will be amongst the first in the world for Indian residences to experience mixed reality and augmented reality and virtual reality on Jio Fiber. And finally, cloud infrastructure across India. To leapfrog the world, it is a national imperative to develop a nationwide cloud computing infrastructure that is both cutting edge and affordable. There are just a handful of companies in the world who can be considered at the cutting edge of cloud technologies. I want to talk to you about one such company, Microsoft. Today, Microsoft's cloud platform, Azure, is one of the world's leading cloud platforms. And today, I am privileged to announce that Jio and Microsoft have entered into a globally unique long-term alliance to accelerate the digital transformation of our country. As a part of this alliance, while Jio sets up a network of large world-class data centers across India, Microsoft will bring its Azure cloud platform into Jio's data centers. When we put these two pieces together, we now have the capability to develop truly India-native solutions, including speech recognition and natural language understanding for all major Indian languages and dialects. All Indian businesses now have the capacity to accelerate their digital transformation and become globally competitive. On this very important occasion, I want to welcome in our midst a very special guest to talk about our partnership, my dear friend and the CEO of Microsoft, India's own Satya Nadella.
Thank you very much, Mukesh. It's such an incredible time to embark upon this partnership together. Today, digital technology is transforming every place, every industry, everything. This rapid change is being driven by massive technology shifts across the intelligent cloud and the intelligent edge. Computing is becoming ubiquitous and distributed. AI is being infused in every experience. And the interaction model itself with computers is increasingly human first rather than device first. These advances are shaping the next phase of innovation, creating new opportunities for people and organizations everywhere, especially in India. At Microsoft, our mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Core to this mission is deep partnerships like the one we are announcing today with Jio. Our ambition is to help millions of organizations across India thrive and grow in this era of rapid technological change. Our long-term partnership combines the power of Azure, Azure AI, and Office 365 with Jio's connectivity and digital solutions, which are amongst the most used and fast-growing in the world. Together, we'll offer a comprehensive technology solution from compute to storage to connectivity and productivity for small and medium-sized businesses everywhere in the country. Jio and Microsoft will partner to launch new cloud data centers in India, ensuring more of Jio's customers can access the tools and platforms they need to build their own digital capability. Jio and Microsoft will jointly offer Office 365 so more organizations can empower their employees with a modern workplace. And Jio and Microsoft will bring Azure Cognitive Services to more devices, creating new breakthrough intelligent experiences with the support of major Indian languages. At Microsoft, we don't celebrate technology for technology's sake. We celebrate what others can do with technology. And our ambition is to make all these solutions broadly accessible and affordable so that they can reach as many people and organizations in India as possible. I'm excited to see how customers will be able to achieve more because of this partnership, and I'm excited about our collective opportunity ahead. Thank you all so very much.
Thank you, Satya. With Microsoft and Jio, Indian businesses can count on a partnership that will work shoulder to shoulder with them in their journey towards becoming digital enterprises of the future. Anant Maheshwari, President of Microsoft India, is here with us today. So Anant, let us make this happen for India. Friends, to further our connectivity vision of empowering digital enterprises of the future, today I want to make two special announcements for startups and small and medium businesses. First, Jio is a startup built in India, for India, by Indians. And we have a very special place in our hearts for startups. You may know that 80% of the cost of running a startup goes towards cloud and connectivity infrastructure. I want to announce today that Jio is ready to take away this cost by making the connectivity and cloud infrastructure absolutely free for budding startups.